Follow us on
Instagram at along.for.the.journey. What?
That's the wrong channel.
I'm sorry. Follow us on, oh my God. HowToDoneRight.
Follow us on there. All right, welcome back to the channel. This video is about two different things. It's about this, number one, and then it's about a surprise announcement we got on this channel. You think anybody will guess it?
No, I don't think anybody's going to guess.
I don't know how much we're going to tell you, but let's get it started with this here. Make sure you
like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
And let's just get right into this. Oh, and follow us on
Instagram at along.for.the.journey. What?
That's the wrong channel.
Today, we're actually wearing our Along for the Journey information. Oh, that's not what I wanted to say. I'm sorry. Follow us on, oh my God. HowToDoneRight.
Follow us on there. I'll put a link down below. All right, honey, let's get that wine open because I want to tell everybody about this wine. You haven't even seen this on the channel yet. But we're going to taste it first.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
Yeah, it is nice. It smells good, honey.
All right, now what I wanted to do here is this is a wine. Again, I haven't even shown you on this. I got the video created. I just got to put it all together.
We're going to get these a little prepared. Remember, you're not trying to crush them. You just want to break the skins a little bit. You definitely don't want to smash it.
All right, it's way high, 16%. Look at all this wine. We got 15 bottles out of this batch. But this is a Blackberry wine. You're going to see that here in the next couple of weeks once I get it edited. But I wanted to do the tasting on this before I reveal our great surprise, right?
Exactly.
So what's this smell like? Oh, it smells great.
Yeah.
Blackberry wine. Now, you're going to watch once you see this video. We made this from frozen fruit. You know we make wine from frozen fruit on this channel. But I tell you one thing.
It
smells
really
good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's taste it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah.
You know what? It kind of tastes like my dragon fruit wine a little bit, doesn't it? But it's blackberry. I hope you can see the color in that. It's like a perfect clear, and it's really clear to look through as well. There's no sediment in this.
Yeah, I would say it's almost like purple, like a raspberry purple color. I love the color.
Yeah, it does. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
We could get a little wilder than we are.
All right, so again, this is a celebration because we've been working on a project for how long?
A long time.
Months.
Long time. Mostly you.
Mostly me, maybe. I don't know. She did help, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. If you think you can guess it, comment down below. I'm not going to tell you if you're right or wrong. But again, it's a project we've been working on for months, and believe it or not, a lot of yous are a part of this. A lot of yous have requested this. When I say a part of it, you're not going to know if you're a part of it until you see it.
I'm trying to think of what kind of hint I can give without giving it away. Oh, we get lots and lots and lots of questions on the channel.
We can't say that.
Why?
What were you going to say?
I was going to say, make sure you are following us on Instagram because that's where we plan to make the announcement for this surprise first before sending out on YouTube.
And then, yeah, we'll do a full-length video because it's so in-depth that we've got to show you this.
I would probably say, well, I know we've never seen this before.
Never seen
anywhere else. It's a completely original idea, and it's nothing we've ever done before either. So it's our first shot, and we hope everybody is excited about it when it comes out as we are.
And guess what?
What?
It's going to take this channel over the top.
He loves to say over the top. But he's right. It will, yes.
She didn't want me to say that. That's why I said it. All right, here's an update. This is our strawberry and our banana wine that we're finishing. We're doing a whole mini series on this because I'm digging into the fine details. So make sure you're watching this because we got something special planned for this banana wine. So there we go. That's the updates, right?
Yep.
Let's enjoy this blackberry wine. We gave you a couple of the updates. I hope you have guesses. Make sure you're putting it in the comment, right?
Yes.
Do you think anybody will guess it?
No.
No.
When he told me, I was blown away with his idea, so I don't think anybody's going to guess.
That's right. And I'm shooting another video. We got to get changed, and we're going to do a whole thing, so that one will be next. Cheers.
Cheers. That's good.
That is good stuff,
That's
isn't
good.
it?
Yeah.
Stop recording.